In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country of Apple Wallet. To begin, we need to open the Settings app on your device. Look for the gear icon, which is typically found on your home screen. Tapping on this icon will take you into the main Settings menu. This is your control center where all the configurations of your device are located. Here you will find various options to customize your experience. It's important to access the Settings app as this is the gateway to change many features, including your Apple Wallet country. Once you tap on the Settings icon, you'll see a list of options that allow you to manage your device's settings. Next, tap your name at the top of the Settings menu. This section will take you to your Apple ID settings where you can manage your account details. Your Apple ID is essential for accessing various Apple services, including Apple Wallet. By tapping your name, you can update your account information, view your subscriptions, and change settings related to your Apple ID. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the Media and Purchases section where you will be making the necessary changes for your Apple Wallet. From there, tap on Media and Purchases. This option is where all your purchases, subscriptions, and payment methods are stored. It provides an overview of your media account linked with your Apple ID. After tapping on Media and Purchases, you will see the option to View Account. This is the next step in the process of changing your Apple Wallet country. It is important to access this section as it holds the crucial settings that you need to modify to successfully change your country. Now tap on View Account. Here you will find detailed information about your Apple ID, including your current country or region settings. This is where you can make the necessary changes to switch your Apple Wallet to a different country. After this, you will see the option labeled Country/Region. Selecting this will lead you to the next step in adjusting your settings. Remember, this step is essential because the country associated with your Apple ID directly affects your Apple Wallet and the content accessible to you. At this point, tap on Country/Region. You will now be presented with options to change your country settings. The next step is to tap on Change Country or Region. This option allows you to select a new location for your account. It's important to note that changing your country may affect the availability of apps, media, and other content in your Apple Wallet. After tapping Change Country or Region, you will be able to select your desired country from a list that appears. Next, select your new country from the list provided. After making your selection, you will see a prompt to review and agree to the terms and conditions. This is a necessary step, as you must agree to these terms to proceed with the country change. It's essential to read these terms, ensuring you understand any implications of switching your country. Once you agree, you can move on confidently, knowing that you are informed about your choices. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, enter a valid payment method and billing address for the new country. This step is crucial because Apple requires a valid payment method linked to the selected country. This ensures that your transactions are processed smoothly without any issues. After entering this information, tap Next to finalize your changes. This makes sure your new settings are saved correctly and that your Apple Wallet will function properly in your new region. Before you can change your country, Apple requires you to complete a few prerequisites. Spend any remaining Apple account balance, cancel any active subscriptions, wait for pending refunds or rentals to complete, and leave any family sharing groups if necessary. Also, ensure you have a valid payment method for the new country. Addressing these requirements is vital to ensure a seamless transition to your new country setting. If you want your iPhone's regional settings to match your new Apple Wallet country, open Settings again, navigate to General, and then tap on Language and Region. This section allows you to alter the regional settings of your device, ensuring consistency across your applications. Once there, tap on Region. This is where you'll select your desired country from the list, aligning your device's settings with your Apple Wallet. This final step helps create a cohesive experience, making your device fully compatible with local services and content.